Yeah, I'm gonna do this in one take. Cause every time I don't do YouTube for a while, it feels so freaking awkward. It just feels like I'm talking to myself out loud and nobody's there. But yeah, today I'm just gonna be doing a review and walkthrough slash walkthrough of my car that I haven't shown on YouTube yet, but a lot of people probably know I have this car now. But yeah, this is my 2011 Acura TSX base model. It's not a premium package, it's a base model, which is only, I think it's only in Canada. I know it's not in America. But let me just give you a little walkthrough around the car. Yeah, so as you can tell, the car's lowered and stuff. I put a little lip on it that's just a little aftermarket lip. I put some double-sided tape, but it's not staying on this side. But yeah, for the most part, it's stock. Like looks wise. But yeah, no, it's lowered on Tein coilovers. I don't know what to say, man. It's been so long since I made a video. Alright, let me just go inside the car and just show you. So this is a base model. So it comes with cloth seats. That's what makes it a base model. And America doesn't. I'm pretty sure they don't get these seats. I know the SE model. They come with the leather and suede. So the suede in the middle here. But these base models comes with cloth seats all around. Yeah, this is a 6-speed transmission. I put a little aftermarket shift knob there because the other one I didn't like. Some Mishimoto. And then I put a Bride shift boot because my other one ripped. I didn't rip it. I guess it was worn down, and there's just a hole in it. So I just replaced this. Replacing this the shift boot was a bitch to do. I shouldn't say that. It was really annoying to do. I can show you a picture of what I had to do. Yeah, this doesn't have the tech package. It just comes with the little screen there that most of the Accords have, which I'm fine with. I wanted something simple. I didn't want no navigation. I use my phone most of the time for that. This has 138,000 kilometers on it, which is pretty low for a car this age, I would say, because most of them I've seen online have like over 200k, sometimes 300k, because people use them for the highway a lot because they're good highway cars. But yeah, let me just show you the engine bay. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is a K24Z3 4-cylinder, if you know your Hondas. It's all stock. I didn't modify anything here yet. I don't know if I'm going to in the future. The most I did was I put a K&N air filter, and I don't know if you can see, I put a shifter bushings. You can see the purple right there. I put cable shifter bushings. I also put a shifter base bushings inside where the shift knob is. But yeah, you can also see the Tein coilovers. They're adjustable, so you can change the dampening and all that. They still feel kind of soft compared to other coilovers I felt in other cars. But yeah, let me just show you the trunk. Just see how big it is. I also did the badge delete on both sides. It says Acura here and then TSX here. I just took those off. You can still see kind of the residue. I didn't finish with it yet, but the trunk space is it's pretty spacious for a sedan. It's not tight and small. I could fit. I haven't tested to see how much I could fit, but I can fit quite a bit of stuff in here. You can fold down these seats, and then you get more space. Like I fit like a bumper in here before when you fold down these seats, but yeah, it's not no hatchback where you can fit like more stuff like a bicycle and stuff. But yeah, one thing I also forgot to mention, I also did a muffler delete on this car because I needed some sound. I can't drive quiet cars because that's just not me. That's I need to drive something with sound. I don't know if you can see. I can't even see what's on the camera right now, but there's no muffler. There's two mufflers that I took off, and it doesn't make the car sound bad. It makes it sound like have more character to it. I also got Firehawk Indy 500s. You can see the tread, the tire tread, or the tire pattern, if you would say. These are the most the best tires I've had so far on a car of my own, and these things feel sticky. They don't think of, like, when I say that, I don't think something nasty, but they feel like they keep your car planted on the road. There's not a lot of tire squeal when like you're making a hard corner. Like they keep your car planted basically. Like combine that with like coilovers, that your car is just planted for the most part. But yeah, I know I'm forgetting like a bit of stuff probably to tell you guys, but it's been so long since I made a YouTube video. This feels so uncomfortable for me. But like right now I'm just in a parking lot where there's nobody here because like I don't want people to see me recording stuff. So I'm just trying to get back into it if I can. Every time I say I want to keep on doing this stuff, but something always stops me. I don't know why. But yeah, this is the car that replaced my Integra. I needed something newer and more reliable per se, because my Integra was breaking down on me. I think that thing broke down on me like 4 or 5 times since I owned it. And yeah, I was just getting scared to drive it, so I needed something newer. This car, I've had it since August. I think beginning of August I bought it. So I think it's been over 6 months. I'm just gonna go for a drive and I don't know. So weird. Just by myself doing this stuff. Oh shoot. That never happened before. I don't know why it happened just now. My car just shut off after I started it. But yeah, no, this car, over the times I've owned it, the first couple weeks since I've owned it, I loved it because it was like something, in my eyes, it was modern and something new to me. And like when I first got this car, after like I stopped driving my Integra, and I did a small little pull, I thought this thing was like fast. That was like fast, but now that I'm driving it more now, it's like, to me it's slow now, because I'm used to the power now. But compared to my Integra, it's fast because my Integra is stock too, so stock for stock, compared to these cars. It's this one's faster. But yeah, this car it has electronic steering, electronic throttle by wire, double wishbone suspension. I said that. You know, the car feels like, since I did the mods, it feels very smooth and very it's not too harsh. Like with the coilovers, I can't even see it. The coilovers I have on it, it's not too stiff. Like the ride's still soft. This has a traction control, which I'm not used to because my other car didn't have that. So I'm used to tires spinning and like, oh yeah, this has ABS too, so my brakes won't lock up in this car, which I'm not used to. I'm used to just all manual everything, no ABS, no cruise control, no nothing. This car has all that. I'll do one highway pull. Yes, for the people watching, whoever cares about watching. Just to show you this car roar. I'll show you guys. I'll show you how fast this beast is. Going around corners, this thing's planted. I'm not scared or anything because this car is all solid, no rust, no nothing. I also forgot to mention this car's from BC, so the amount of rust on this thing is very minimal compared to like if this car was from Toronto. Oh yeah, right on red. Almost forgot the road rules for a sec. Still recording. I have to wind up my windows because there's people beside me and they might see my camera. And it's just weird. No one does this. No, it's not normal to do this stuff. Yeah, let me just show you guys. Let you guys listen to my baby roar. Also has VTEC. This thing has VTEC also, so it's true Honda. I know this car overall is a better car than my Integra, but I still miss driving. I still like older cars better. Cause I see the new Integra coming out, and that one's a disappointment, but I'd rather this car over that Integra. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna continue this YouTube stuff. I'm just trying to see what it's like. Just trying to get back into the groove if I can. But yeah, I might as well just end things now because there's nothing else to talk about.